All right, so let's just take a look at the markets and see what was available today. I'll go over the crude trade, but just take a look at the ES first. So you see the ES when it's in a range-bound behavior like this. Um, See this range-bound behavior. Whenever it's in range-bound behavior, like what you want to do is put the prior day high, prior day low, and all of those, like the prior lows and prior highs, because they just sweep. That's what they do. They just sweep the low and the high, and they keep it in range. So how they do that is just sweep the low. I'm gonna give an example. Like this bar swept that low. This bar sweeps this low, sweeps that high. This bar sweeps these lows. So it's the same thing over and over again. Sweep, sweep, sweep. So that's only when the range bound behavior. Then you use the prior day highs and lows and stuff like that. So and also you have to be really careful with the risk reward, because it's not going to give you big moves. It's going to give you two-sided moves, but not big moves. Anyway, so basically the market was making lows. Where am I? Okay, so this is the sell. So on the sell. Here I got confused because it went back on a buy. But I'm realizing that this is all part of the game. They're just consolidating here, waiting for probably a news event, and then going to break through. So this is what happens. Very common. All right. So and I'm seeing this. So like I said, like prior day high, low. Just take a look at this low. Take a look at this high. You see the tap, the low, reverse. Tap the low, tap. Or, penetrate the low, spring the low, and that's what it's doing. So here again, you see that, it goes up. First you see it goes to the low, sweeps the high, comes back to the low, and sweeps it again. The nice little wick finally creates trend right here. It goes white, and then gives a not really that great of a move, right? Not really that great of a move, but I mean, what do you expect? The range bound behavior on the ES is horrible. So that's what you're gonna get. So I mean, it's taken the lows multiple times. Either it's gonna go to the high, or it's gonna go to this level, which is the low. So I mean, you'll see it's going to, because that's what they're doing. They are already swept here multiple times. One, two, three. It's either gonna take that out or come back down here. All right. Now let's take a look at the crude. So this market is a no-brainer because it's on buys, and then it pulls back here. Broke out right there, and it tested. So as it tested, you're gonna notice what happened. This was a prior day low, and then low multiple days ago. But these are trending markets, so this is a little bit different. And here it basically tapped the prior week high right there in the gray line. So I mean, this is what they do. If you have a trending market, it'll just tap highs and lows, but not really sweeping them. So I mean, sometimes it'll sweep if they consolidate, but here, this was the target. And I don't know why this is yellow. Shit. Anyway, so the market went down, up, down. And as soon as it wicked like this, it means that there's some buyers on the prior week high. So it hits the prior week high and immediately rejects. So that's telling you buyers were found. And for me, I don't know where it is, but I saw very clearly there was a sweep here and then a hard reversal. Anyway, so it goes down, 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 and now it goes up right there. Do you see any aggression? Yeah. Here. White brick on the greens, white brick on the greens, right? So, I mean, at this point, it was just going down, red, aggressive selling, aggressive selling. Here, based out, if you like to look, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then pop right there. So that's a break. And then basically offers a pullback. Right? But I mean, you can, some of it's intuitive, like you can tell that right here there's a reversal, it's going to go higher. Because it's taken these lows, I mean, it's tapped, I don't know where it was, like right here, it tapped it, and this is where the demand, and when the market's going down, what is it doing? It's just trying to find demand, all right? It found demand here, it tapped right off of it. So when it tapped off of it, it's time to get in. And it went up. The exit was like right up here. Because the thing is, I didn't know if it was going to take out the high or not, because a lot of times they'll come close to the high and totally reverse and take out the low. So the idea is just get out, a little bit before the high. In this case, pull back and took out the high. All right, let's take a look at gold. So you have the market selling, comes back, full test, and I thought there was an opportunity here for it to go down, but it actually retested that area. And when it retested that area, here's the distribution. Right here. There's some climactic action here. There's a lot of prints up here. There's your climax. End of the road. With 11,000 traded. 11,000 contracts traded in this box. And then, down we go. Taking out the prior low. Had some higher high buys over here, but obviously you'd always combine that with other indications, not just sell, because here you have sells. So here only takes sells. Okay. All right. That's all I have. Thanks.